Hey guys, have no fear, Vlad is here. This video is for those looking for a detailed and straightforward guide on installing AWS CLI on macOS. You can find a text version of this installation on my website. The link is in the description of this video. The AWS CLI is a single tool for managing AWS services. With this tool you can control many AWS services from the command line and automate them with scripts. Note that we will be using the iTerm2 terminal emulator. Okay, let's get started. Download the AWS CLI installer using this command first. And then we can start the AWS CLI installation. Of course, we have to specify the password for the account and press enter. And let's wait a little bit. And then we can actually check the location of the executable file. And then you can view the installed version of AWS CLI. So that's it. Everything is ready to use the AWS CLI. Enjoy!